Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a quick and easy seafood dinner recipe for you guys, and I want to show you how I make my smoky garlic butter shrimp scampi. This incredible seafood pasta dish comes together in like 15 to 20 minutes, and it is packed with so much incredible flavor. I'm going to get things started with a garlic butter, add in some smoked paprika for that smoky flavor, and then toss in some jumbo shrimp, some white wine, some parsley, and then toss everything together with some angel hair pasta. You guys are going to be blown away with the incredible flavors here. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish. I'm going to get things started today with the pasta, so I'm bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil on my back burner. I'm going to prepare half a pound of angel hair pasta. This recipe will work really great with just about any type of pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine. You can even use penne pasta if that's the only thing you have on hand. So cook the pasta till it's al dente, drain it, leave a little bit of pasta water in there, and then keep it warm until you're ready to use it. Let's get things started with the garlic butter. I'm going to preheat a large frying pan over medium heat, and I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of butter, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that melt. I'll also add a drizzle of avocado oil in there. And to my melted butter, I'm going to add in 8 minced garlic cloves. Drop those in. We're going to let this cook for about a minute before we add our shrimp. Today I'm going to be using 2 pounds of jumbo wild-caught shrimp. I'm going to add them into my garlic butter. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. That garlic smells so good. Just add the shrimp in there, kind of single layer. And toss the shrimp with that garlic butter. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to add in my white wine. I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup. It's going to add lots of acidity and make this dish so incredibly delicious. And if you don't want to use wine, you can also use like a vegetable broth or a seafood broth here. I'm going to season the shrimp with some salt, a bit of cracked black pepper, and our smoked paprika. Sprinkle that in. This is going to be so good. It's going to add this really great smoky flavor. I'm also going to add in a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This is going to add lots of great flavor. You can actually serve some extra lemon on the side, so you can kind of squeeze the lemon over your pasta. Oh, this smells so good. Give that all a toss. This is just about done. And once my shrimp is done cooking, I'm going to remove the pan from the heat and add in some chopped fresh parsley. Oh, this looks so good and it smells incredible. Going to toss that in there. Now we're ready to add our pasta. I'm going to add my angel hair pasta right over the shrimp. And then toss everything together. You want that pasta to be coated in that white wine sauce and the garlic butter. How delicious does this look? This is ready to be enjoyed. Let's get some of this incredible pasta plated up. Oh, this looks so good. That shrimp is so aromatic. And that's it for my easy shrimp scampi recipe. I wish you guys could smell this dish through the screen because it smells so mouth-watering and incredibly delicious. For the full list of ingredients and for the recipe link, make sure to head on down the video description box. I'll have everything down there for you guys. And then you can find the printable version up on my website. Now let's dig in to enjoy. This looks so incredibly delicious. Going to get a little bit of that pasta, some of the shrimp. Oh, this shrimp looks so delicious. Just wow. I love how delicious this is. It is so easy to put together, so flavorful. I am loving all that garlic combined with the juicy shrimp. Incredible. If you're looking for a super quick and easy and delicious seafood dinner, this recipe is for you. This is a restaurant quality shrimp scampi that is going to blow your mind away. I love the combination, the smoky flavor from the smoked paprika. We have loads and loads of garlic. I love the acidity from the white wine and the lemon juice, and that butter just coats the pasta and the shrimp. It is just an explosion of incredible flavors. I love that this comes together in like 15 minutes and you have one incredible dish. This is even perfect if you're having some company come over last minute. Don't forget to head on down in the video description box for the recipe link. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do, and if you do make it, leave me a comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time with another recipe.